Hi everybody, here we are in Leicester Square. Validus is sponsoring the movie that we just seen, City Twist. Absolutely amazing.
I trust the boy with my life.
I owe Robert everything. He's like a father to me.
I'm here Bejan Nerman outside Prince Charles Theatre. We've just had a screening of City Twist. It's been amazing. We had 300 plus people here supporting the film. I'm so happy. Thank you to Validus for sponsoring this event. We're very happy and delighted for everybody to be here, and everybody's enjoyed it and so much positive energy. I love this so much. If you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it at Amazon Prime.
Hey everyone, this is Hussein Sadiq from London. I'm representing Validus company who has sponsored this amazing movie. The movie was a huge success, house full, house packed. Dr. Pervez Dawood, Mr. Mansoor Tawafi, thank you so much for sponsoring this amazing movie, and we can't wait to see this on the big screen in international, other cinemas in other cities and other countries.
This is going to be the beginning for Validus. They're linking up with the film industry worldwide to support and work with the film industry, making education and entertainment worldwide. Just stay tuned, get in touch. Validus is going to be a massive name within the next couple of years in this business.